Interstate, please. Beta Tontitown, updated 20 in traffic.
One will call him. Eastbound passing Harmon, speeds 120.
Copy, eastbound Harmon, 120. Eastbound Barrington, Tontitown 1's primary.
Barrington southbound.
Copy, copy.
Over to TVI or no? No, not yet. We're southbound here, so it's getting picked up. TVI.
Down over at the intersection of 48th right now, he's taking the interstate going northbound. Correction, southbound. TVI. Rollover. Star Central, let's talk on unit. Down the window, everybody's deployed.
TVI. Door 1016, Tontitown, unit correct. Door 1016, what's fine on you?
Come out here, Jerry. Medical's en route.
Air back deployed,
Airbag.
L7, L12. Good. Is your car worked out also? We all have damage. I'll be around there shortly. So we got the entire southbound lane shut down at the scales. Also, well, go ahead. If you haven't already started 1016, we got both such. Washington County has 1016, 1019. I'll confirm that.
Hello, you can clear the mat.
Copy, clear.
Take spring off the patches.
All units be advised that Central is 1019, Medic is 1019.
Tontitown, Fort County, you go ahead and contact Premier Towing for one of our police vehicles. Let them know it's a rollover.
10-4, all units 10-4.
Yeah, everybody's in custody. You got to release from that.
10-4, all units, that's 1064. Break, Tontitown 4. Can you adjust your final 20 for that vehicle needing picked up at the rear?
If we're going to be at the way station on 49.
Southbound.
7 to 12.
Go ahead, 7.
Are any of our units going to need a tow? That's going to be negative. 10-4. Are all of you okay?
10-4, we're all 10-4. My unit's a little messed up, though.
10-4. I'm around just drive time from Salon. Tontitown Fort County. If you would let the mayor know, we're going to need a second one for another unit to ring up.
Copy the second unit.
Second tow truck. And I guess we'll need one for this U-Haul as well.
10-4, I'll get 3 units. Correction, 3 en route. County's a Tontitown 4.
Tontitown 4, you have traffic?
10-4, Premier is 1019 with 3 units for you.
Fergus 9, County of 10-8.
Brigham 9-4.
Tontitown 20-4. Go ahead, sir. You guys have road blockage up there? Yeah, 10-4. So we got the median and it's open up.